Welcome to Bike Insight, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle reviews and updates. Today, we take a close look at the 2026 Honda TW225, a lightweight dual-sport motorcycle designed for riders who crave freedom both on the street and off-road. Design and build quality. The 2026 TW225 carries Honda's modern design language, compact, rugged, and ready for adventure. With its high-mounted fenders, bold graphics, and LED lighting, the bike maintains a classic trail-inspired stance. The broad seat and ergonomic handlebar positioning make it comfortable for long rides, while its slim frame enhances control and maneuverability. Engine and performance. At its heart, the TW225 is powered by a 223cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. This setup provides the perfect balance of power for beginners and experienced riders alike. The bike's 5-speed gearbox ensures confident gear transitions, while Honda's refined fuel injection system keeps performance consistent across all terrains. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the TW225 with a long-traveled telescopic front fork and a sturdy rear monoshock, offering a plush ride on rough trails. Its lightweight chassis and wide dual-purpose tires provide excellent traction, making it equally capable on city streets or rocky paths. Technology and features. Though simple by design, the 2026 TW225 doesn't fall short on essentials. It includes a digital instrument cluster, LED indicators, and an efficient braking system with optional ABS for added safety. Honda's attention to reliability ensures this bike can handle years of rugged riding without compromise. The 2026 Honda TW225 is a perfect companion for those who value simplicity, durability, and adventure. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring unpaved trails, this small yet mighty machine delivers big satisfaction. Bike Insight, your road to the latest in motorcycle innovation and reviews.